Welcome back to my channel, The Real Amy Moss, where together we are becoming radiant, elevated, aligned, and liberated. I've got a serious question for you today. Would you start a YouTube channel if you knew you couldn't fail? Seriously, think about it. If you knew that there was no way to mess it up, if you knew that no matter what happened, you'd succeed, would you go for it? Because here's the thing. What if I told you that failure isn't real? That every step, every stumble, every awkward video, every mistake you think you're making is actually a part of your success. From a spiritual perspective, failure is just a construct of our ego. Our soul's purpose is to grow and expand, and growth always comes from experience, not perfection. How would you ever evolve if you didn't have those messy, imperfect moments? If spirituality teaches us that life is a school, then all of our experiences, even the ones we label as failures, are lessons in this school of life. They're just feedback so that we can fine-tune and become more of who we really want to be. So when you reframe failure as growth, what does that do for your fear? It takes it away. So now, there's no wrong move. You can experiment, you can play and have fun. You can show up as your authentic self without worrying about getting it perfect, because the real success is the evolution of you. When you embrace that mindset, every time you post a video, whether it gets 10 views or 10,000, you're winning because you're learning and you're becoming more confident and you're figuring out what resonates with your audience. It's just a valuable learning experience. I literally wanted to start a YouTube channel over a year ago, and I finally just started like a month ago. It was the best decision I could have made for myself. I've been a spiritual holistic girly for over 20 years, and I have so much knowledge to share. I'm a licensed holistic esthetician, a certified health and wellness coach, and a spiritual mindset coach. I have already helped so many women get what they want, and now I can help so many more with my channel, which is what I really, truly love. I'm so nervous every time I record a new video, and I still don't really know what I'm doing fully. But I'm learning as I go because I know I can't fail, and I'm showing up for myself every time. My videos don't even have that many views yet, but I pray that the ones who need to see them will. And I know as I keep going, I'm becoming more of myself and showing up for myself the way I know that I can. I'm so grateful for every single view, like, or comment. So in my eyes, this experience has already been a successful journey just because I did it. I have so much more to go, and I'm so excited to keep on keeping on. So know that every action is a building block in your journey, and you are building it brick by brick, a little at a time. We all know how to eat an elephant, right? One bite at a time. There will be so much learning and figuring it out, but that's exactly what we're here for, to learn and grow and expand. Don't worry about fucking it up because you can't. One of my favorite things that I always hear Abraham Hicks say in my head is, you can't get it wrong and you'll never get it done. It's in the becoming that's so good. There's nowhere to get to. The magic and the fun is in the journey. If you're a recovering perfectionist like me, use Louise Hay's affirmation, I'm willing to release the need to be perfect. I say this one a lot in my head. So many of us struggle with perfectionism, and when we release that, we open ourselves up to limitless possibilities. Apply Neville Goddard's law of assumption by assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled. I love this one. Just feel the feeling of already having thousands of subscribers. If you want to create a successful YouTube channel, you have to first assume that it's already successful. Just feel it in your bones. Visualize it. And how would you show up if you knew that there was no way you could screw it up? You wouldn't hold back. You wouldn't stress over every little detail, and you certainly wouldn't let fear of failure stop you, because you would know it's just a stepping stone. And when you step into that mindset, The universe responds because everything is energy. Your thoughts, your beliefs, your feelings, they're all vibrations that send out a signal. When you're in the energy of I can't fail because everything is a lesson, and if I learn and grow from the experience, it was a success, then you're radiating trust and confidence and resilience. And that's the kind of energy that attracts success. It's not about faking it or pretending you don't have fears. We all have fears. It's about showing up even when you do. You can't mess this up because every experience you have is just another piece of the puzzle. Sometimes the universe has bigger plans than we can see. If you put out a video that doesn't perform well, maybe it's teaching you to refine your message or not to do it from a place of seeking external validation. We all have different lessons to learn, and the universe knows exactly what lessons you need. So just be willing to let go of the need to control every outcome and make space for the universe to work its magic. Trust that the path is always leading you to where you're supposed to go. This is why detachment is so important. Share your message, create content that's authentic to you, and then let go of how it's received. Detach from the need to see those results right away. Because when you detach, you move from the ego's need for approval to the soul's space of pure creation. And then you can tap into your higher consciousness, the part of you that already knows that you're successful just for showing up. So, here's my challenge for you. Start that channel. Post that first video and share your message, because the world needs your voice, your unique perspective, and your journey. Remember, you are the creator, and in your universe, failure doesn't exist. Start seeing every experience as a win. You either get the result you want or you get the lesson you need. Either way, you're winning. Alex Hormozy says, you only need 3 things to win: the balls to start, the brain to learn, the heart to never quit. And the good news is you already have all 3. Let me know in the comments if you've been wanting to start your own unique channel. And if you received any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe to join my new tribe. I'm willing to help you in any way I can with a mindset shift or anything that I've learned so far in creating my channel. Just ask. We can be new tubers together. Ta-ta for now.